On a clear night, look up. The sky sparkles with stars. Hundreds, thousands, each one a sun, many with planets of their own. In just our galaxy, the Milky Way, there are over 100 billion stars. Multiply that by billions of galaxies, and the universe seems teeming with potential for life. And yet, we've heard nothing. No signals, no visits, no undeniable proof. The universe should be alive with civilizations, and yet, silence. This is the Fermi Paradox, one of the greatest and most haunting mysteries in science. In this episode of Infinity Beyond, we ask, where is everybody? What is the Fermi Paradox? Named after physicist Enrico Fermi, who famously asked, where is everybody? During a casual lunchtime discussion in 1950. He was referring to the contradiction between the high probability of extraterrestrial civilizations existing and the complete lack of evidence for their existence. Given the age of the universe and the vast number of planets, advanced life should have arisen long before us and spread across the stars. So why haven't we seen them? Are we alone? Or is something preventing civilizations from reaching us or surviving long enough to do so? The numbers say they should be here. Let's break it down. The Drake equation estimates the number of active, communicative extraterrestrial civilizations in the Milky Way. When we plug in conservative values, we often get dozens, even hundreds of civilizations. And with space travel, even at modest speeds, a civilization could colonize the galaxy in a few million years. A blink on cosmic timescales. Yet Earth shows no signs of visitation. This silence is deafening. Possible explanations. Where are they? Scientists and thinkers have proposed dozens of theories to solve the Fermi Paradox. Here are some of the most compelling. 1. We're early. Maybe intelligent life is rare and young, and we're among the first. The universe is still forming stars and planets. Life might take billions of years to evolve, and civilizations may be few, or just getting started. 2. They're too far away. Space is enormous. Even if civilizations exist, they may be spread thin across the stars. Signals may take thousands of years to arrive, and we've only been listening for a century. We might just be missing each other in time and space. 3. They're not using radio. Our searches rely on radio waves, but alien civilizations may use advanced technologies we don't understand. Quantum communication, neutrino beams, or something we can't detect. We may be looking on the wrong channels. 4. The zoo hypothesis. What if aliens are aware of us, but choose not to interfere? They could be observing us, like animals in a zoo, waiting for us to mature or reach a certain threshold of intelligence. We may be in cosmic quarantine, for our protection or theirs. 5. The Great Filter. One of the most chilling ideas. Perhaps there is a barrier, a filter, that prevents civilizations from surviving long enough to spread. This could happen at any stage. Life might be hard to start. Intelligence might be rare. Civilizations may destroy themselves through war, AI, or environmental collapse. If the Great Filter lies ahead of us, it means our future is grim. But if we've already passed it, we may be a rare lucky survivor. 6. Their undetectable advanced civilizations might become so efficient they no longer emit detectable energy. They could live in digital realms, on Dyson spheres, or in black holes, invisible to our current tools. We might be surrounded and not even know it. 7. They're already here. Some suggest aliens are among us, but hidden, visiting in secret, embedded in myths and folklore, or observing without contact. While these ideas drift into conspiracy, they highlight how uncertainty fuels speculation. 8. We're in a simulation. If reality is simulated, then the universe might be designed to appear empty. Civilizations beyond Earth might not be rendered unless necessary, or exist only in other simulations? A cosmic sandbox with only one player. What does silence mean? The silence of the stars could mean we're rare, we're doomed, or we're just not looking correctly. But it also means we must become the signal. If we are alone, we are the universe becoming conscious. We are the first voice in a silent cosmos. What comes next? Projects like SETI, Breakthrough Listen, and the James Webb Space Telescope are scanning deeper, broader, and faster than ever. New methods, like technosignature detection, are opening fresh avenues. Perhaps we'll hear a signal tomorrow, or perhaps we must be the signal, spreading life, knowledge, and meaning to the stars. Final thought. The Fermi Paradox reminds us that space is vast and silence profound. But silence isn't proof of absence. It's a challenge to keep searching, dreaming, and pushing outward. Here on Infinity Beyond, we don't just ask if we're alone. We ask what kind of universe we want to create, if no one else is watching. Because if Earth holds the only voice in a silent galaxy, let it be loud, let it be wise, and let it echo beyond.